Hello everyone, back with Dennis Win. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install add-on into Blender. It's easy. First you go to Edit, then Preference, then make sure you select Add-ons, then Install, then find your add-on, select your add-on, then press Install Add-on. And as you can see, that's your newly installed add-on. Now you just need to enable it by pressing this. Once you enable it, you can check where you can find this add-on implemented. Sometimes it's in the End panel, sometimes it's in the UV section, sometimes it's in the Animation section. But with this particular add-on, you can find it on File, Import, because this is a SketchUp importer. Now, let us save and check it. File, Import, and as you can see, SKP. There you go. I guess that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you guys don't miss any of the next video. Bye!